This Remax of Hot Springs Village property video is presented by Harbour. Great DeSoto Golf Course home with one of the best views on the course and golf front lot next door, conveys with sale. Flat driveway and double garage. All brick home and composite deck. Roof is 4 years old, water heater replaced in 2022. Kitchen and garage refrigerator stay. Washer and dryer stay. Walk-in showers in both baths. Double closets in master bedroom. Unique living room design with a wall of windows to enjoy the view. Wood-burning fireplace. Pull-out pantry and kitchen for large amount of storage space. For more information, review the details below or contact Harbour at 501-204-2034.